Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Soul Train. This is my new name for the new TrueForm, if you will. If you notice, that initial picture is what I call the glow man. He is also something that I've actually seen on TV as seen in the sky. So I have documented this form also in some of my other clips. So I was happy to see that there's some consistency in trends. The trends I see are the eyes. They manifest utilizing any sort of physical or energy system or being like a car. I mean, they have utilized the car in this clip as well. They utilized the reflector light and basically transformed it into an eye. So there's always an eye, there's always flapping, there's always a bird involved, there's always seems to be, believe it or not, like cats of sorts. Like the eye is always what I would say is the same shape as my cat's eye. It's the vertical type of eye. And I often frequently think, hey, how does that relate to the dollar bill, which was originally based on religion, which, there we go, joining of the two. But anyway, I saw this 2 years ago when I first started, when I first got the security cameras, and this type of transformation or orb is what I call soul train. So if you look closely, I'm going to call it Yuron, okay, for lack of a better word. There are little miniature heads or faces or souls attached to all of the tentacles of this entity. There's around it, it's in it, it's beyond it. They've made faces within the chase lounge, the car, anything. And it's so fascinating to me and intriguing. I do find it quite divine, and I find it awe-inspiring. The fact that they can control anything is just mind-boggling. But at any rate, I thank you so much for watching and traveling with me on this journey. I do have 2 weeks where my data is saved, and that is why this is data from 12/29. So I was able to watch it all, and I pulled this together for you, and I do hope you enjoy it. Thank you again for your support. Subscribe to my channel, the Orb Queen, Pennsylvania. And thank you again, and enjoy.